another video. Finally, oh my god, I feel like I haven't been on here in so long. It's been about 2 months since I posted a new video, and it feels so good to be back on here filming for you guys. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that has, you know, reached out to me and checked up on me, like, hey Shalisha, how are you doing? This and that. So thank you guys so much for that. I really do appreciate it. But a little bit while I was off of here, that definitely was school. School was definitely a big reason why I wasn't on here, just because, you know, senior year, I want to make sure I'm on top of everything. I also finished my senior year of football cheer, my last year, which was so sad. We went to the championship game, but we lost, so we didn't get to go to the States. But, you know, it was a really nice experience to go to the championship game, having the news and everything there. Everybody out there, was raining, pouring, so all the fans were there. It was insane. But yeah, that was definitely an eventful time. I also, you know, made the basketball cheer team, so I'll be doing that for my last time ever. It's crazy that it's my last year, but nonetheless, I am back filming videos. I'm so glad. I have definitely taken requests for you guys, so let me know what you guys want to see from me. This feels so good being back on YouTube. Like, it just feels so good. Like, just sitting in front of the camera. I have not put these lights up in 2 months, and it's crazy. It's been that long. Enough of me rambling. Today's video is going to be a nice, relaxed, chill video, so that's why I'm really in just a t-shirt, hair up in a bun, not really too dressed up and fancy, because today's video is really like chill back type vibe of a video. I'll be teaching you guys how to whiten your teeth at home. So of course you're not going to whiten your teeth in like a all fancy outfit. You're going to be, you know, casually dressed and stuff like that. So I decided to do this video, and this is also going to be a giveaway. This is a collaboration with a company called Smile Brilliant. If you guys don't know who they are a teeth whitening company. They help you whiten your teeth at home. Few simple, easy steps to get your trays. It's also not the LED lighting type of whitening company. It's actually trays fitted to your teeth, because so that it whitens all your teeth. You just have to put a light in your mouth and let it drool. And I'll be doing an unboxing for you guys, also showing you guys how to get your impressions and also the steps of how to whiten, everything like that. Go through everything you get in the kit. This will also be a giveaway at the end, so make sure you guys stick around. Do not skip to the end. Look through the entire video, because there's going to be a lot of important information you guys need to know about the whitening kit, everything like that. So just wait till the entire video. Before I get into the video, make sure you guys follow my socials. I have Instagram, Snap, and Twitter. When I'm not on here, make sure you guys go give me a follow on there, because that's where I update you guys, tell you guys what's going on, give you guys updates of what's coming, and also what I'm just doing in my daily life when I'm not on here. So give me a follow on Instagram at shalishasflawless, 2 S's, and Snapchat is PrincessGirl18. A lot of people have me on Snapchat. You guys message me every day. I message you guys back. Also on Instagram, you can DM me if you have any questions. You just want to talk to me, say hey. I always DM you guys back, talk to you guys. But make sure you guys give me a follow on my social medias. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the video, how to whiten your teeth at home. So this is the kit that you will receive in the mail when you are going to whiten your teeth. This is everything you're going to see to whiten your teeth. So the company, like I said, is Smile Brilliant, and their box is a blue and white box. At the bottom it just says your new smile awaits, because it's everything you're going to need to get your white teeth. So let's take a look inside to show you guys what's in here. So when you guys open your box, you're going to see this little instruction on the lid. It's going to tell you guys, you know, a couple of steps and everything, but this is really what's important to get your trays and to start your whitening process. So these right here, this on the bottom is your base paste, and on top is your catalyst paste. You're going to mix those two together into a putty and put it in these trays to make impressions of your teeth. So when you do that, you have to make sure you work fast. You work it well, get everything mixed together, but also work fast while you're doing that, because if it hardens, you can't get your imprints. Like, it's not going to work. So this right here is going to be your impressions little mouth guard. So this is what you're going to use to make your impressions of your teeth, along with the little base and the catalyst paste. So these right here, on the side, you will get a bunch of the desensitizing gel and also the whitening gel to whiten your teeth. So a little bit more about the 2 gels you have in your package. So this one right here is your whitening gel, which is orange, and this is what's going to whiten your teeth shades whiter than your actual teeth color that it is. So it's going to remove stains, you know, everything, any yellow coating of your teeth. It's going to try to whiten your teeth a couple shades later than what it actually is. So this is what's going to whiten your teeth, but after you're done whitening, some people get, you know, irritation on their gums. Some people might have sensitivity in your mouth, so you're going to use the desensitizing gel afterwards, so it doesn't leave any type of, you know, like numbing or any type of weird feeling in your mouth. So you're going to use the desensitizing gel to make sure you don't get any irritation in your mouth. At the bottom of the box, you'll see a couple papers. So this right here is really important. You do not want to misplace this or throw this out, because this is what you're going to use to ship back your impressions to the lab to get them made to your custom trays. So you have to make sure you keep this along with putting your imprints in a little bag. You will get a little pink envelope to ship your impressions back in, so make sure you keep this. And these papers are just, you know, more instructions to tell you guys how to whiten your teeth in case, you know, you don't really know, you're not too sure, you know, miss a step or something. So these are just little tips to help you with the whitening process. So now that we went through the entire unboxing of the actual kit, let's go ahead and get into the demo of how to actually make your impressions and everything like that. So I'm going to do one tray because I think it's pretty self-explanatory to do it to the other tray. So you're going to take this out, and you're also going to take a catalyst and a base paste out. So you get 3 sets of the 2 little putties. So you have 1 set for each, and you also have an extra in case you mess up on a set or it doesn't come out right. You can do it again, but make sure you try not to mess up. Try to do it perfect. Don't have too many putty to remake them. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the base paste out, and you're also going to take your catalyst paste out. Once you have both out, you're going to mix them together for about a minute. Make sure you get everything. It's going to turn one color, so make sure you mix them all together, get it all mixed up so there's no white showing. It should just be a blue paste. So let's keep mixing this until it turns to blue. Okay, so when you get everything mixed up, it should be this pretty blue color. This is going to be your putty to make your impressions for your teeth. After you have this made, you're going to take your little tray and you're going to kind of make like a little hot dog. So once you make like the little shape right here, you're going to lay it in the tray like so. Make sure everything is covered. And then you're going to place this in your mouth. Press down and also push it up into your gums so that it gets every part of your teeth and make sure it gets a really good impression. So when you send these back in the bag that they give you with your card and you ship it back to, I believe they're stationed in Missouri, so when you ship it back to the lab, they will, you know, let you know the process of, you know, like how it's going, like are they done. They'll let you know like when they're starting it, when they're almost done, and also when they've been shipped out. So once around like 7 days, takes about a week, sometimes maybe 5 days depending. So after that, you get your little retainer box filled with your 2 impressions. So these are my trays in there of my teeth. Now we're going to show you guys how to apply the gel and how to actually start whitening your teeth. So you're going to take both of these. You need this and you also need your trays. So you're going to take a whitening gel out and you're going to tear it. So when you open it up, it's going to have a little syringe and it has the gel inside and it's orange like I said. So it's popped off, and make sure you keep this because it's a little cap to go on top so it doesn't dry out. So what you're going to do, if you're going to do the top one, let me find my top ones. Let's see. That's the bottom. So if you're going to whiten your top teeth, you are going to take the syringe. So you are going to apply a thin line along the bottom of your teeth. Not too much and not too less. Make sure you get enough gel in there so that it covers the bottom line of your teeth, because when this, if you do the top, it's going to ooze all out. So basically when you do it at the bottom, it's automatically going to go up to your teeth and get all in your gums, and also the top of everything in your teeth is going to be covered. So make sure you do the bottom so that it goes up into your teeth and whitens everything. So you can whiten for 30 minutes, you can do an hour, you can do 3 to 5 hours, whatever you want to do to get better results. Whatever you have time to do that. So I normally do an hour, and some days I would do like 2 hours. Sometimes, you know, again, it gets kind of time consuming because you have it in your mouth, you can't really eat, you can't really drink. Also want to make sure that you're brushing and flossing your teeth before you do your impressions, before you get your trays back. So I think that's about it for my end. I believe I covered everything that you guys need to know about the whitening process. Of course, there's videos on their website, also more instructions on their website in depth. If you guys have any concerns or questions, you can ask them. And like I said, you can also refer to these in your box. These are going to be very helpful for you. It gives you a little overview of how to do it. So the company Small Brilliant was so sweet to host this giveaway for you guys, to give away 1 free kit to a special person, and it's also by random. It's not my choice. They're going to choose the winner for this giveaway. So all you have to do, there'll be a link in the top part of the description box, so make sure you click that link, put your first name and your last name, like a real first and last name, and then an email that you check regularly so you guys can know to check that if you get a notification from them saying you did win. So put an email you use often, and that's basically it. All you have to do is put your stuff in. There's no rules or anything. It's going to be chosen at random, so I don't have any say in it. So they will send me the name of the person that they choose, and I will of course post it on YouTube and make it public so you guys know who won, so everyone is aware of, you know, the winner of the giveaway. Now this giveaway will end on December the 1st, which will give you guys 2 weeks, which will end on a Saturday, because you guys know I post on Saturdays as well, so it's perfect timing. So I'm going to give you guys 2 weeks to enter the giveaway, so make sure you guys enter before then. This box retails for over $150, so this box is not cheap, and I also have a discount code for you guys if you guys want to purchase it for yourself. Or maybe you guys have this kit at home and you just need some refills of the gel. My code is 15% off your entire order, so make sure you guys use that to re-up on some stuff that you may need, or just to purchase your own kit for your own self. If you guys are interested to try it, there will be a link for my coupon code, I believe, in the description box below. I will have everything below so you guys know everything, all the details and all that. So that is the end of this video, everyone. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see from me next. Also, let me know if you guys are going to enter the giveaway, or if you did enter the giveaway, let me know in the comments. I would love to know, because do so, guys, because I would not want to miss this chance. You could be the lucky winner for the giveaway and you would never know, because what happens if you never enter the giveaway and you could have been the winner? You be feeling real salty, right? Yeah, you real salty. So make sure you enter the giveaway, guys. Also use my coupon code below on anything you order on Smile Brilliant's website. Their website will be down below as well. Also, follow my social media. Everything is below. Stay active with me on everything. I have my Instagram, Snap, and Twitter, like I said in the beginning. Everything is below, all my users. I'm always active with showing love to you guys back, so show me love. I always show you guys love back. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like to see more content from me. If you guys like my energy, you guys like what I'm doing, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on anything else. I will not want you guys to, because it's going to be a lot of the content coming soon. I'm doing another updated sneaker collection. I have not copped a lot of shoes this year, but I did cop some sneaks, so I want to show you guys what I copped. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I missed you guys so much. Thank you guys for being so patient with me and being so understanding with me being absent from YouTube. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys back in my next video. Bye, everyone. Mwah.